Hi all, good morning. Yet another weekend ride. So I'm just about to get out of the apartment and wait for food. So guys, we met two, and the other guy is Nguyen. So now we head to our first checkpoint, which is Giga Mall, which is like 10 minutes away from here. So Chi, one of my other friend, who will join us there, and then we go together from there. Huh? Normal? Okay, so he got used to sitting on all those Vietnamese bikes, so I think it's okay for him. For me, even this is hard. Yeah. Because I got used to sitting in front and not on the back. Sorry guys, I was on the ND filter, and I think the video till that time was like a little bit, you know, dark. Sorry about that, but look at the view. The sun is just coming up. People are working out. I'm not able to see him here. Let's go a little in front and stop it there. This is Giga Mall. This is where we're supposed to meet him. Oh yeah, we have Chi here finally with his XR 150.
Hey guys.
Welcome to the club. Okay, let's go. Yeah. What? Only 1 and 2. Where is 3? Woohoo! Wow, beautiful street. So guys, we are not so much kilometers in or something like that. We just rode for like 20-30 minutes, I guess, and we are finding a place to have pho and probably have a cafe, and then we can do the ride majorly because we're hungry. Okay, there is a pho shop. Yo guys, we had pho, so this is a place, Pho Hoang Nung. Actually, it was pretty damn good, and it was so cheap. We had 4 different pho, and it cost us only 152. I mean, 152 chàng. 150 means 152,000. Ở đâu vậy?
It's a big flight risk because I'm lactose intolerant. So if I get it, I'll get from lobster to diarrhea. So I ring it.
I don't know, guys. Google is shit these days.
Another stuff to correct the rules that I tell you guys. I'll just try to copy.
Okay, this is right. Yeah. And mine one shows different, and Cheese shows another map, and Mann has another one. Google is making us go nuts.
They are making the AI into deviation.
So I'm having my cafe sir. Mann and Cheese on cafe den. That is black coffee. And those with a lot of milk. Vaxiu. Wow, we have some fresh fish and veggies. So currently we are in Dong Nai, and just passing through some small towns in Dong Nai and markets. Sunny day. Today is a good day. We have some clouds and not so much rain today. Actually, rainy season, I mean monsoon, is about to start in Vietnam. And today they predict to have like 15 to 30 minutes of rainfall after 3, but I don't see that happening. But let's see. You know, rain always always is unpredictable in Asia. They say that it won't rain, and you will have some rain sometime during the day, and they would say that it will rain and it won't rain at all. So it's highly unpredictable. Woohoo! Love those twisties. We're climbing. I'm pretty sure I'll be coming somewhere here for off-roading because Dong Nai has so many off-roading routes. So yeah, definitely we'll be here. Okay, slow down. Holy shit, that's so good. Woohoo! Okay, that's my code, nothing else. Yo dude, I'm coming. I'm coming. I had a call with my wife. I'm just coming.
Ah, okay.
Okay, okay, okay. What's up, dude?
You are in over 3K.
Seriously? Okay.
Okay.
Guys, that road is so inviting. It's just asking me to turn in that direction and go. That way. Oh shit, this is nice. I mean, to be frank, in Vietnam, people don't need an off-road machine to off-road. Look at them. They are on a 100cc motorcycle, but no problem whatsoever. Wow. Wow. This is exactly what we needed. Slipping away here and there. Oh yeah. It slips. So I need to be very careful. Oh, yeah. True. Technical ride. Let's go. Woohoo. We definitely need some off-roady grippy tires to go through these roads. These are shown as normal roads on Google Map. Okay, I don't know why I'm shouting. I'm so excited. Oh. I need better handlebars because I feel like I'm bending down a bit. Woohoo! This is great. This is the place where we take photo. So guys, we had some talking session and about to hit the road again. Ooh, somebody camped here. You see that? Somebody camped by this river. Oh no, river or lake? Lake? Yeah, it's lakeside. But what I hate is all those plastic that they throw over here and leave. Nobody there. Ooh, beautiful. Can't believe that all this was here. Oh man, I should get out of the house more often. Mann Coffee. Yeah. Mann Coffee. Just go. Poor two have to go through all this. I think this is Mann Coffee. Okay guys, we are gonna chill, relax, have a cup of coffee. Tu is having one heck of a bad day, I guess. Holy crap. So we made it to Mada. These are our campsites. One is like our community camp, and over there we have one more. But the water this time is so close. Last time when me and Nhung were here, it was a little bit. We had a little bit more land area to walk around. Goa was running nuts, you know, running around here, but now it's all water. Yeah, and guess what? We're gonna enjoy some beer right now. Thanks to Nguyen, he made all this happen. It's actually a good afternoon. It's really hot. Not that hot, but hot enough. Everyone is having fun. Pretty good time. Okay, we're gonna enjoy.
Yes.
So, thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next riding video. Till then, take care. And yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.